Welcome to the Prototype and Product Development Core Lab or PCL basic training videos. In this video, you will learn how to use the Vector Network Analyzer, VNA. This instrument is available in the Electronics Fabrication Laboratory or EFL. When arriving, inform the EFL staff. The PPE for this instrument is only ESD, electrostatic discharge, protective gloves. Note that this instrument is not connected to the internet. If you need internet connection, please consult the EFL. We recommend turning on the instrument at least 30 minutes before using it. We also recommend you consult EFL staff regarding which connectors are required to connect your sample, or bring your own connectors and cables compatible with the instrument. First, reserve and enable the instrument through Infinity. Then press the power button to turn VNA on. Control of the program can be achieved by using the keyboard on the right, touching the screen, or connecting a mouse by USB. Attach the provided calibration kit with a USB cable. The light should be red. Wait until it turns green to begin calibrating. This can take 10 to 15 minutes. Once ready, set up the calibration by choosing the calibration wizard. Select Electronic Calibration and click Next. Select the type and click Next. Properly connect a cable to the analyzer and the calibration kit. Use a torque wrench for the final turn on both ends. After finishing the calibration, detach the calibration kit and attach your device. We recommend you keep the cables immobile with tape, as displacing them could affect your results. When complete, save your data on a USB. Turn off the instrument by closing the software and selecting Shut Down from the Start menu. Be sure to disable the instrument through Infinity. One last point, if you hear strange sounds, see sparks, or sense some sort of abnormality with the instrument, please contact EFL immediately. Do not worry if you may have caused the damage. Instruments in the EFL need constant upkeep and maintenance.